Hey, it's Deborah Atkinson, host of Flipping 50 TV. We're in season 3, don't miss it, and the Flipping 50 podcast. And I'm talking this month about osteoarthritis and arthritis in general. There are over 100 kinds. But it's really important to do everything you can through exercise, yes, but making yourself feel like exercising with antioxidants, with anti-inflammatory ingredients that you can put in a smoothie. So much easier than you could fill a plate full. So I've got some spinach in here, I've got avocado in here, I've got berries and cherries to all decrease inflammation, and then I put an avocado in. That always makes it rich and creamy, and cacao, and I put my protein in on top of that. And protein's really important to keep the muscles strong so we can strengthen them and strengthen the muscles surrounding joints. I'm going to enjoy this, and then I'm going to share the recipe with you below, but just watch how fast things go. It's really that easy, that fast, and that delicious to make yourself feel better so you feel like moving more. So in this month, this Arthritis Awareness Month, take advantage of all of the goodness that food can be to reduce your inflammation. And I'll see you on the flip side.